Today on 60-second favourites, we're going to be taking a look at the Gridpro range from Click. There's a lot of products out on display here, so let's dive in and check them out. So the Gridpro range is actually available in a variety of finishes, plate styles and modules, and the modules themselves are actually rated up to 20 amp, meaning not only are these great for domestic installations, they're also perfect for commercial installations too. Each module comes with large terminal entry holes and backed-off screws, meaning it's going to be a quicker and easier installation. Securing modules into the plates is really simple. On 1 to 4 gang products, you don't need any yokes. You simply click the modules into the back with the clip-on feature, secure with the final screws there, and that means they're also compatible with any standard flush mount backbox. For 6 to 24 gang multi-tier plates, you will need a yoke. But again, this is really simple using the clip-on feature of the modules. You'll then need to take off the tabs here, which snap off, secure into place into the back box, and then finish off with your faceplate on the front for a quick and easy installation. We also offer engraving services here at Click, but a lot of our modules also come pre-etched with a variety of different legends, ideal for multiple applications. If you want to see more from us here at Click, then please check out the website at scolmore.com. We'll put a link in the description. And if you like these kind of videos, please remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button below.